Can we just stop this craziness? Oh my goodness, there is craziness everywhere. Everywhere you look, any device you get on, any social media platform, it's crazy. You have polar opposites from, Christmas decorating and Christmas prepping to survivalist prepping. Oh my goodness. Today I'm going to share with you 5 things that I'm doing personally to stop the craziness in our home and to focus on being present and embracing this season. And I'm also going to share with you the 5 things we're doing in our homeschool to help us embrace this wonderful season that is upon us. Well, welcome to Born for Homeschool. My name is Rachel Bourne. I am a homeschooling mama of 4 kids. I homeschool the oldest 3. We have a kindergartner through a 5th grader. And this year, we are embracing the fall season. We love this time of year, and yet in the midst of preparing for holidays and the craziness of what's going on in this world, I have found that I need to be super intentional to be present right now, to be present with my family, to focus on the things that are really important to us as a family. So, 5 things that I'm doing to help me embrace the season as a mom and as a homemaker and just as a person. The first thing I am doing is I'm lighting candles, because there is nothing that screams cozy and warmth and a haven than the warm smell of candles and the actual physical warmth of a candle. I think it's so homey, and so I am definitely lighting candles pretty much every day here at our house. It doesn't have to be anything really expensive. I found these at our grocery store. I love the vanilla scents and the apple spice scents and pumpkin scents. So we are burning lots of candles here. And maybe if you don't feel safe burning candles, if you have lots of little hands that like to touch things, then you can get battery operated candles and you'll still get the cozy feeling from having candles in your home. So that's the first thing that I'm doing. And the second thing I'm doing is intentionally meal planning for warm, cozy, hearty meals for our family. So we're doing lots of soups and homemade bread, cornbread, apple pies, applesauce, you name it, we are baking it. It is so nice to have the oven on to kind of take the chill out of the kitchen air, and it just is such a wonderful time to be preparing food that is hearty and delicious and cozy for my family. And so that's the second thing I'm doing to embrace this season. So the third thing I'm doing to embrace this season and really create an atmosphere of warmth and comfort and coziness in our home is I'm playing more music. My husband's schedule just changed, and so a few of the school mornings he is up and out of the house very early in the morning. So I have been trying to get up and have my time before the kids come down, and before the kids come down, I've been putting on some worship music, and it has just set a wonderful tone for the beginning of our day. So I encourage you, find some music that you want to be in your home, the mood that you want to set, whether that's happy or peaceful or worshipful, and turn on the music to help create that atmosphere that you want in your home for this season. So the fourth thing that I've been doing to bless my home, to embrace this season, is I've been doing just a little bit of extra cleaning. And I'm not going wild and crazy here. I'm not like deep cleaning my house from top to bottom. But the last few days, I've just been taking one small project, things that don't get done on a regular basis, and I've just been going that extra mile, just a little bit extra, whether that's instead of just sweeping the floor, I'll go ahead and mop it, or instead of just cleaning out that one thing in the fridge, I clean the whole fridge out and wipe it down. Just that one little thing that takes less than half an hour, but it feels nice to have a clean and tidy space. So I've been trying to do just a little bit of extra cleaning to really make our home welcoming, not just to other people, to friends and guests, but also just for us to be here and enjoy. And the fifth thing that I am so excited to be doing is to plan for the holidays. I found this free planner by a YouTuber, Diana Koku, and she is a woman of faith who has a YouTube channel about faith and personal growth, and it's just an excellent channel. And I'll put a link in the description box below if you want to check out her YouTube channel. But she put together this free planner for Less Doing, More Meaning Christmas 2021. And it's not just a Christmas planner, it also has the November calendar in it. And so I'm definitely looking forward to and really excited about filling out this planner. I spent a little bit of extra money. You don't have to do this. I mean, you get the planner for free. It's a digital download, but I went ahead and sent it to our local printers and had it printed out and bound so that I can use this for our holiday planning this year. And I'm so excited to be using it. So those are the things that I've been doing personally, but I've also been doing some things in our homeschool to help us just enjoy the season that we're in. Here in the Northeast, it's getting a little cooler. It's sunny outside today, but it's going to be a high of like 65. And so as the days are getting a little cooler and the seasons are changing, there's a few things we're doing differently in our homeschool. And the first thing is we're doing a little bit more reading. And if you've been here on my channel for any length of time, you are not surprised by that announcement because you know that we love books. We love all things books. We love read-alouds, personal reading time, and family reading time, so that will not surprise you at all. We've been doing family read-alouds and audiobooks. The girls have been reading a lot. Mike has been learning to read, so we've been doing a lot of reading together as a family. And we have loved that time. I mean, what is better than snuggling up with a book on the couch together as a family for read aloud? So we've definitely been reading a little bit more here in the cooler days here at our homeschool. And so the next thing we have been doing in our homeschool is lots of art and fall crafts and decorations. The girls begged me to get out the fall decorations, and so they pulled them out and started decorating the house for fall, and they have done some more art projects. The children did leaf rubbings with their dad and just lots of fun things that go along with this season, art projects that we have really enjoyed recently. And the next thing we've done, which also will not surprise you if you've been on my channel for any length of time, is we've spent more time outside. We love spending time outside for our homeschool. We go on lots of hikes and walks, and this season is absolutely gorgeous here. The leaves are changing and the leaves are falling, and so we have spent so much time outside enjoying the sunshine when it's here and knowing that the cold is coming and we'll want to maybe snuggle up a little bit more during those days. So we're definitely spending lots of time outside. We've made sure that our bird feeder is stocked and we're watching the birds, and it's just been a really beautiful season to spend time getting the kids outdoors and spending time together outdoors. And sometimes it's easy as a mom to just send them out in the afternoon, go play while I do my things, and that is really tempting for me to do because I want to get all of the things done. But it's really important for me to go outside to share that experience with them. So another thing that we've been doing is making sure that we prioritize relationships during this season. And not just relationships here in our family, but we've been really prioritizing our community relationships, relationships with friends, relationships with family. We've done some traveling to visit family, and really, while the weather is nice and we can get around and travel without the worry of snow or whatever, we've really been taking advantage of the time to spend time with the people that we love and our community. It's really important, I think, during this season when things are getting busy and the world is going crazy, to focus on people and to reach out to people and to love and serve people. So we've been trying to be really intentional about building relationships during this time. And the fifth thing that we're doing in our homeschool to embrace this season is baking together, because this is a wonderful season for baking. And so I found some recipes and got the supplies, and we are planning to do several fun recipes together as a family. Well, I hope you found this video to be helpful in the craziness of what's going on in our world and in our homes and in our lives right now. I hope that you're encouraged to sit down and focus on the small things. A candle, lighting a candle, turning on some music, baking a loaf of bread. Focus on the small things that you can do that will create warmth and a haven for your family, that will bring you together and help you to celebrate the season, help you to be present with each other during this time. So I would love for you to leave me a comment below and tell me what is something you're doing this fall to either prepare for the holidays or to just embrace what is here in front of you. I would love to hear your ideas, so leave me a comment. Tell me, what are some things that you're doing? Thanks so much for being here today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you again in the next video.